Situated within 6 hectares of land, a sanctuary for native flora and fauna, Fouché Architects presented a unique challenge. A young couple and their father envisioned a simple, sheltering home for their elderly, but the land itself presented formidable constraints. Almost the entire property was teeming with life, with densely growing trees and plants providing vital habitat for koalas and other important creatures. This rich biodiversity meant that only a small strip of open land, a gentle curve along the western boundary, offered a suitable canvas for construction. Stepping inside, a sense of calm and understated elegance is felt. The cool concrete floor provides a grounding contrast to the warmth of the timber that lines the walls and ceilings, creating an air of simple honesty. The internal layout is a testament to efficient design, free from unnecessary embellishment. The linear living area cleverly integrates the kitchen with dining table, a comfortable lounge area with built-in seating, a fireplace, and a discreetly placed TV. Expansive stacking doors blur the boundaries between inside and out, opening onto a deck that frames stunning views of the verdant landscape. 2 thoughtfully sized bedrooms and a bathroom complete the program, their modest dimensions accentuated by large viewing windows that draw the eye across the tree canopy, while operable openings in the bathroom invite the refreshing embrace of open air. This delicate balance with nature is further complicated by stringent environmental regulations. The site demands the highest possible wildfire rating, a requirement that looms over the project's budget. Every decision, every material choice, becomes a careful negotiation on a tightrope of competing constraints. Approvals were hard-won. The act of bringing a home to life on this precious land felt like a triumph against all odds. Yet, in this complexity, the architects found inspiration, embracing the challenge with a resolute spirit. The surrounding emerald canopy becomes a guiding force, influencing the shape and orientation of Tallowwood cabin. The desire to tread lightly on the land, to minimize disruption, shapes a form that appears to emerge organically from its surroundings. The cabin's outer shell is designed not only to perform resiliently against the elements, but also to blend with the textures and colors of nature, a serene presence in a vibrant ecosystem. Alright, that wraps up our look at the Tallowwood cabin. What a testament to thoughtful design and harmony with nature, right? From navigating those tricky environmental constraints to creating such a beautiful and functional space for its resident, Fouché Architects truly delivered. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring architecture and design explorations. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.